Hello friends, welcome back to Zyojyo Tech. Today I'm going to show you how can you add quick launch toolbar in your task manager like in Windows 10 or 7. Okay, Windows 11 has removed this feature, and today I'm going to show you how can you bring it back on Windows 11 and make your workflow faster. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is you have to copy the link from the description or go to the links from the description I have given in link description box. Then after paste it, click enter, scroll down. In this section you can find out Explorer Patcher. Just click here for the latest version of setup program. Click here, and after here you can find out, let's download this. Go to folder, right click and run as administrator. Click yes for the permission. After installation, right click on the taskbar and you can find out here toolbars. Click new toolbar, and from here you can set your shortcuts from here. Okay, you are using the D drive, and you can choose the D drive and click select folder. Now you can access from here very easily with your file. Guys, if you want to uninstall that quick launch toolbar from your Windows 11 task manager, then what you have to do is you have to go to the apps. Okay, press Windows plus I to open the setting, and after go to here apps, and here you have to go to the install apps and type in Explorer, EXP Explorer, and you can find out here Explorer Patcher. Just click that and click on install. Click yes for the permission. Then after, the toolbar will remove from Windows 11. Okay guys, if this video really helped you to bring back toolbar in Windows 11, then don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.